Hello, amazing learners! Are you ready for some phonics fun? Today, we are diving into the short vowel sound of the letter A. We'll be focusing on the fun AB word family. That's words that end with the letters A, B. When a vowel is snuggled between two consonants, it makes its short sound. And you're going to see a cool pattern in the way we read these words. And to help us remember that AB family, I've got a super silly picture. A duck with abs. Take a look at that funny little guy. Now, for every word, we're going to sound out each letter slowly, and then we'll say the whole word together twice. Get your reading voices ready. Let's begin. L-A-B. Lab. Lab. K-A-B. Cab. Cab. T-A-B. Tab. Tab. Ab. Fab. Fab. G. A-B. Gab. Gab. J-A-B. Jab. Jab.
Hiya! Sit up!
N-A-B. Nab. Nab. D-A-B. Dab. Dab. Fantastic reading! Give yourselves a huge high five. You worked so hard and did absolutely amazing with the AB family. Grown-ups, if you found this lesson helpful and don't want to miss any of our upcoming phonics videos, please take a second to subscribe to our channel right now. And if you're ready to start your little one's complete reading journey, we have a resource just for you. Our Set 1 book series covers this exact short A skill and so much more. You can purchase the books by visiting our channel page or by going directly to www.bookmarkz.org. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you in the next lesson.